Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
The next question I want us to do is question number 2. Though we have done several such questions when we were discussing about the mole, or how to convert, or how to get the mass and molecular mass, molar mass, and the number of moles. The question number 2 is, how many moles are there in 10.6 grams of sodium carbonate? How many moles are there in 10.6 grams of sodium carbonate? And therefore, we need first to calculate the relative formula mass of sodium carbonate. This is the formula of sodium carbonate. Therefore, the relative formula mass will be, the mass of sodium is 23, and there are 2 atoms. 23 times 2. Then you add the mass of carbon, which is 12, and you add also the mass of oxygen, which is 16. But because there are 3 atoms, then the mass of oxygen in this compound will be 16 times 3. This is 46 plus 12 plus 16 times 3 is 48. This is 46 plus 12. That gives you 58. Then 58 plus 48, that gives you 106. So 106 is now the RFM, the relative formula mass. The relative formula mass of sodium carbonate is 106. Then in this case, we are calculating the number of moles. Remember again, when we are doing the relationship between the moles, the mass, and the molar mass, we said that the number of moles are given by the mass you divide by the molar mass. And therefore, number of moles, the mass is 10.6 grams. You divide by the relative formula mass, which is 106. Then this you'll get as 10.6 divided by 106. You get 0.1. 0.1 moles. That is how you're supposed to go about it. So the number of moles of 10.6 grams of sodium carbonate is 0.1 moles. The number of moles of 10.6 grams of sodium carbonate is 10.6 grams.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.